All right, guys, so we're here at Prospect Park right after, let me see, the snowstorm, the blizzard stopped on Monday. It is now Thursday, so 3 days after. Looks like the paths are cleared. The cyclists are going pretty fast. Yeah, like smack down the middle, cleared. But the sides are still full of snow, as I would expect. But I got flamed on Reddit for going too fast inside of the park. So this is what you guys want to see, cruising at 18 miles per hour or so. What's the kid doing in the middle of all that snow? Anyways, man, so this is what you guys want to see, me chilling like that inside of the park, going this slow. This is bothering me, bro, going this slow like that. Usually I'm the type to just floor it like that, you know what I mean? But yeah, man, good job from the city clearing out the park and stuff.